Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. This is day 2 of our 30 Days English Speaking Challenge. Thank you so much for the love and support on day 1. If you are new here, don't worry. You can start from day 2 and also practice day 1 later. In this challenge, we are learning easy spoken English for daily life. I request you to listen carefully, speak with me, and repeat after me. Don't feel shy. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes help us learn. So let's start today's English speaking practice. Hello, everyone. My name is Lucy. I am from India. I have completed my graduation. Currently, I am working in a company and I am also preparing for a better job. I am a YouTube content creator. I enjoy creating content and sharing my ideas. I love painting and I also enjoy arts and crafts. These activities make me feel happy and creative. I am a person who wants to grow in life and move forward with confidence. I got married this year. My husband works in an MNC company. We have a cute baby boy, and I love my husband and my son very much. My husband is a very honest and good person, and I am grateful to have him in my life. Thank you for listening. This is a little introduction about me. I believe in learning every day and becoming a better version of myself.